If you want a Galaxy Fold, it looks like you're going to have a hard time to get the device. Motorola's VP came on record to basically tell us that we should expect the Foldable very soon. And OnePlus apparently won't be adopting wireless charging anytime soon, but because of the problems of wireless charging. I'm Jaime Rivera. This is the last day of MWC. It's been great, and we've still got more videos to go. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with interesting developments when it comes to particularly Huawei. It seems that there will also be a P30 Lite. It just got certified in TENAA, meaning we're actually getting very close to a launch. And bear in mind that in previous years, the Lite variant has always launched earlier, obviously watered down specifications, but we do hear that it will have a triple camera. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 3 Lite, as apparently that one just passed through certification through the FCC. Both devices actually, and probably the most interesting thing here is I thought that the processor was going to be watered down, but the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 is actually not. And according to the source, it seems that this is what we're getting here. So, this is interesting. Now let's talk about OnePlus, as well, the company made a big splash here at MWC, and Pete Lau in a recent interview was asked about things like, for example, wireless charging, and according to him, the reason why the company has not adopted it is because it's slow, and everything about OnePlus is speed. We've got speed charging, a speedy phone. He's right, actually, but Xiaomi just came up with a proprietary technology. We'll see. Now let's move the spotlight over to Motorola. We know that the company has made a huge splash. If not the company, somebody who created the concept of that possible Moto RAZR smartphone. And according to one of the company's VPs, the company's actually working on a project like this. The thing about it is they're not doing it for the reasons that other companies are doing it. Actually, they're looking for a solution to scratch screens because we know the technology, the sort of polycarbonate technology that they use on displays. We'll see if we actually end up getting something at some point. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. For those of you wondering when we're getting the product, it seems that Samsung pretty much just confirmed that there should be an event in April where we'll be able to actually see it, because here at MWC, everything was 5G. We weren't allowed to touch the Foldable. Apparently, there will be something separate for that, I guess another unpacked. And during that process, apparently, the company is planning to make the launch immediately, but it's going to launch in very limited quantities and only for specific people. And specific retail, and that makes a lot of sense. The product is really expensive, but in today's question, let us know. I mean, what do you think? Do you think that this should be like a limited edition Galaxy, or the company should push it to the mainstream? Because in my case, it makes a lot of sense for them not to make such a crazy launch initially. They want to see the reaction, but the reaction would change with the price tag. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.